Last we have seen the uh, what is the bar tack machines. Now we are going to see about buttonhole and button fixing machines. Basically the machine is used for button to hold the button and fix the button. This is the use of buttonhole and button fixing machine. And then uh, buttonhole making machine is a specialized sewing machine designed especially for the automated creations of buttonhole automation creations of buttonholes. Buttonholes are openings in fabric that are reinforced to allow buttons to pass through, providing a closure for garments. The main parts and functions in typical buttonhole making machine is same as before: needle, buttonhole blade, buttonhole clamp holder. What is the function for needle is the needle pierces the fabric to create the initial hole for the buttonhole. And what is the use of buttonhole blade means the function is a sharp blade or knife that cuts the fabric to form the sides of the buttonhole. The buttonhole clamp holder is used for function is holds the fabric in place during the buttonhole making process. I will show the buttonhole and button fixing place. This is the set of editable buttonholes and loops. There is so many types of loops for making buttonhole. First one is oval and second one is the design and third one is light blue and the fourth one is for short. There is so many types and different types of buttonhole making. There is many and different types of buttonhole is there. And then the types functions is button guide or template. The function is to provide the guides for the machine to follow, ensuring consistent and accurate buttonhole placement and size. Thread tension mechanism functions is regulates the tension of the thread to ensure even stitching. Thread guides function. What is the function of thread guides means guides the thread through various paths to maintain proper tension and prevent tangling. Okay, then next is thread square. Function is holds the thread used for stitching. Stitch length regulator is adjust the length of the stitches determining the size of the buttonhole. Bobbin case is used for holds the bobbin and regulates the tension of the lower thread. Bobbin winder is function is winds thread onto the bobbin. Waste tray is collects the fabric and trimming excess threads. Foot pedal functions control the start and stop the sewing machine. Foot pedal is start and stop of the sewing machines. Allowing the operator to control the sewing speed. Control panel is function in more advanced buttonhole machines. A control panel may be in present to input specific buttonhole dimensions or patterns. Thread cutter is threads cut after the stitch. And then buttonhole making machines can be vary in complexity, and features may be simple streamline the process of adding functional and aesthetically pleasing buttonholes to garments. uh, what is the parts and functions of buttonhole machines? As button fixing machine is button feeder, needle, button holder or clamp, button holder or clamp, button guide, and this is the different types of buttons. This is the different types of buttons and button fixing needle machines. And then types continuations of thread tension mechanism, thread guides, thread spool, bobbin case, bobbin winder, spool pin. These are the parts and functions. And then we'll go for next the spool pin of uses. Holds the bobbin and regulates the tension of the lower thread. Thank you.